Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and signing into the Google account you'll change. This matters because Safe Search can be account-specific. Once signed in, click the three-dot menu, select Settings, then Privacy and Security so you reach the controls quickly. Next, go to Search Settings or Google Services to find the Safe Search toggle. Do this now. It's the first actionable step because without navigating here, you can't disable the filter that blocks explicit results. You now disable Safe Search itself. In Search Settings, locate the Hide Explicit Results or Safe Search toggle and switch it off. This directly controls what Google filters from search results. Make sure to scroll down and click Save so the change persists across searches. If you use multiple Chrome profiles or accounts, repeat these steps per account because settings don't always sync. Once saved, test a search to confirm results change. This verifies the setting took effect and helps you spot residual filtering quickly. You finish by confirming nothing else forces Safe Search back on. Check Family Link, Supervised Accounts, Chrome Supervised Users, or Router and DNS filters because these override your setting. If results still seem filtered, clear cache and cookies, sign out and sign back in, or try a private window to rule out profile issues. Make sure to test a search that previously was blocked. That proves success. If problems persist, inspect network-level filtering. That's the most common hidden cause and the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.